Courage is my name. Courage is my nature. Courage is my name. Courage is my nature. Courage must not be confused with fearlessness. Fearlessness is the destination. Courage is how we get there. Courage, 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 courage. Many acts of courage create the fearless heart. Faith is acting in spite of its doubt. It dares to believe, even at those times it is unsure of the outcome. Faith, faith, faith. Courage is my name. Courage is my nature. Kindness is my name. Kindness is my nature. Patience is my name. Patience is my nature. Tenacity is my name. Tenacity is my nature. Courage is my name. Courage is my nature. Love is my name. Love is my nature. Peace is my name. Peace is my nature. Joy is my name. Joy our attention that determines what comes into our awareness. Every day is the first day of the rest of your life. So write a new script today. Forgiveness is my name. Forgiveness is my nature. Strength is my name. Strength is my nature. Calmness is my name. Calmness is my nature. Clarity is my name. Clarity is my nature. Courage is my name. Courage is my nature.